Hey guys, me Drayton. Today we're gonna find cars on the road. They're like 23 years old. Yeah, and I can't. Oh my god. Yeah, anyway, we're gonna find Trevor, Henderson creatures. Are you excited? I know. I'm okay. Yeah, anyway, the first Trevor Henderson creature, we're going to find the bird watcher. It's gonna find him. The bird watcher, the bird watcher, bird watcher, the bird watcher, the bird watcher. Where is the bird watcher? I'm just gonna do this for an hour. I can tell this is gonna hit the phone camera. Whoa! Whoa! 1 hour later. Been like an hour. There we go. Let's go inside a bird watcher now. Caw! Caw! What's that noise? That running creature. Is that the bird watcher? Nope. 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 This is gonna find a scary man. I thought there was a cut on me. What is that? Glass. Maybe the scary man broke this grass. Or glass. I just say grass. Yeah, anyway. What are these axes doing here? Yeah, anyway. I've been here for like, I don't know. It made a video since like yesterday. This one's scaring me. That noise. Is that the scary man having a chainsaw? I think it is. Run, 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 run. Run, 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 run. I know a perfect place to hide. It's like 150,000 feet tall, so you can't see me. 10 hours later. Wow, 14 more hours till the day's ending. That train's tunnels are still happening. Let's just find a lens. Lens is like a tall creature. Like 1,258,986 feet tall. In fact, his arms are 1,385,684 feet long. Yeah, and at the very top, it got the pointy head. Yeah, so impossible to really see. He can reach the clouds. Yeah. Let's just find limbs. Hi, Mr. Birdie. Yeah, and anyway, Ouch! What's that? Oh my god, is this limbs? Oh my god, is this limbs? Is that limbs? No, no, nope, nope, I'm not doing that. Nope. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Wait, he can't see me. So, I'm just gonna throw a rock at Limbs. He's still there. He's invisible right now. You stupid Limbs. Oh no. But that's just a butter knife. It's not sharp. And I'm going to throw this butter knife at Limbs. Go! Oh, yeah, anyway, it's just a stuffed animal knife. He's definitely angry. Run. 10 hours later. Today, we're gonna find Siren Head now. Yeah, anyway. Songs are over. Oh my god. That definitely Siren Head? It is, oh my god. Run! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 10 hours later. Well, finally, that's fun. Let's go find Lighthead. He makes tick noises. Tick, 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 tick. He's touching it. Light off and on. Tick, 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 tick. What's that? Nah, he's not real. And what? Ouch! Ouch! My head. Ouch. What? Is that Lighthead? Huh. No one's like that long, so 30 feet tall. Yeah, and Siren is 40 feet tall. Yeah, so 30 plus 10 is 40. Because 1 plus 3 is 10. Or no, 1 plus 3 is 4, so yeah, and 5 times 5 is 25, so let's just find the ancient dog. Just make clicks noises. What's that noise? He just makes noises like that sometimes. He makes slobbering noises. But anyway, oh my god. So that's time to find all the Trevor and Henderson creatures. I'm there in one big pile. What's behind me? Oh, just the car. I thought it was SCP-2086. I already made a video about that like 3 weeks ago. Oh, and we're just gonna find all of them. Oh my god, bye guys, bye. Oh my god, SCP-111. Oh my god, get in the house, get in the house, get in the house. Get in the house, get in the house, Get in the house. Get in the house. Get in the house. Oh my god. Bye guys. This is all the Trevor Henderson creatures I know. Now, peace out. Hope you love my videos. The one that got 241 likes or views. Bye guys. No, Chachi, no.